Hey, you awesome, beautiful person. I want to encourage you today and give you some insight and some wisdom, I hope. Peace. Stop seeking for peace. You know, many people seek for peace. I seek for this. And how do they get peace? If I can only get this one thing, then I'll have peace. Enough money, the right spouse, kids, the right car, island somewhere, and then I will have peace. Enough of this, then I'll have peace. No, you don't get it. You can have all these things, but yet there's no peace within you. You can have all the money in the world, you can have the right wife, kids, you name it, everything, but still don't have no peace. How many people, they have everything going for them, a wonderful wife or husbands, whatever, and then they also in stuff, their own, you know what I'm saying. So yes, that's not good, because why? Peace starts within you. You see, Jesus says, my peace I give unto you, not like the world. So there's a peace that's been given to you. So you need to open your heart to receive that peace. Not work at it. No. Again, yes, I say many times to people, nobody comes steal your peace. They don't come steal your peace. What happens? You give it up. Offense is taken, it's not given. You take it. Peace, you give it away. You know, so Jesus gave you that peace, but don't give it away. Peace starts within you, right here. Not a specific place or amount, external things. Everything starts internal and then it goes external. Internal, then external. You see, that's what happens. People seek for peace, continue, see this, get more this, whatever. I must confess more, I must do this more, I must have more faith than I have more what. No, my peace I give to you. It's a gift. So Lord, thank you that I receive peace. I have peace within me. You see, this is a problem with many people, many societies. They think that wealth or prosperity or whatever, these things is going to give them peace. It's not. Start to open your heart to Christ and say, Lord, thank you. Your peace has been given unto me, not like the world. Do I open my heart to receive that peace that you gave me 2,000 years ago, or even before the foundation of this world? I just want to encourage you, open your heart, receive the peace. I give you peace. I bless you with peace to the full till it overflows in Jesus' name. Guys, have a wonderful day there. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, you are blessed. Bye-bye.